Presenting the Mi 10T smartphone with glass back, engineered not only for giving a premium look but also to please your hands. This phone is available in two color variants, Cosmic Black, Lunar Silver. The Mi 10T is available in two variants to choose from, 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. It has dual SIM option, so you can carry a single phone around instead of two. The 6.67-inch Full HD plus LCD multi-touch capacitive touchscreen comes with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution for an enhanced visual experience. It also features AdaptiveSync intelligent display and full-screen dot display. The phone has a 64-megapixel triple rear camera with 13-megapixel ultra-wide and 5-megapixel macro mode lenses. Built-in features such as 8K Ultra HD video recording, 6 long exposure modes, magic clone video, photo, timed burst, dual video and 4 premium filters help this phone capture amazing pictures and videos. The phone also has a 20-megapixel front camera to capture selfies in high definition. Powered by Android version 10 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor and 7nm process, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with 5000 mAh lithium polymer large battery providing talk time of 26 hours and standby time of 535 hours with 33-watt fast charger in-box and Type-C connectivity. Inside the box you can find the Mi 10T smartphone, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case, screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product